So I've got a couple of these Eufy wireless battery operated security cameras, and this one is a 2K version. So today on this one I'm going to put a solar panel on it so I don't need to keep charging it up.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
Okay, so let's first have a look at the unboxing experience. So it's quite well packaged, quite a nice box, loads of information on there. It tells you stuff like how long the cable is from the solar panel, and it's 4 meters. So I've just taken the solar panel out there. On the inside it's got this cool little protective stuff to stop it getting scratched or anything. Funny material on the front there, it's kind of bumpy. And then you see you turn it over, you've got your little hole there that your bracket will go into. There we go, 4 meters of cable with your sort of little USB on the back there. A couple of bits of paper, the usual stuff, and then you've got the instructions. There's a lot of instructions, but there's only a couple of pages for me that was English. There we go, the bracket, made out of some sort of aluminium, pretty good quality. Very adjustable, and as you see it's got 3 places there for the screws to attach to whatever you're attaching it to. And it just goes in the back of the solar panel like that when we put it on the wall. Now there's all sorts of packets for depending on what Eufy camera you've got as to which one of these packets you'll need. And luckily for us we're just going to need the one that says 2K 2C Pro, so we'll keep that one. There's the screws and wall plugs. The wall plugs looked alright, but I used my own in the end. And the screws were good actually. So I picked my spot for the solar panel. Put my bracket up there, marked it out, drilled it. Put my wall plugs in. And then as you can see I filmed this bit with the camera itself. Bracket on the wall. The screws were pretty good. Normally the screws are lousy, but these were excellent. They were actually posi 2s, so they were really good. Right, now the next bit, we're going to attach the solar panel. Put it somewhere where you think it's going to get sun all day, which was about there somewhere. And then, because I was so close to the camera, I needed to get rid of about 4 meters of cable. So as you can see, it's got I don't know what you call it, a facility to wind it round the back there. That was fine, and after some messing about, I got the right amount of cable that I wanted. So, we're all in. I thought I'd put it on its side. Makes no odds really, does it? And that will face, the sun will go over there like that. Thought I'd catch that. I tied it up with some clips just to make it look a bit smarter. And then it goes into here. And first of all, you put your little grommet that's supplied for your camera around the actual connector, the little USB connector. Push it in there. It's all watertight. That's it. So let's have a look in the app and see if it's registered. So there we go, open the app. There it is, dead easy. So we're on backyard, and as you can see it's showing us being charged from the solar panel. And there we go again, we go into that camera and there it is, showing at 66%, and we'll see how that increases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again really soon.